Look at this. Really far down.
There's more parking down there.
Yes. Is that a boat?
Yeah, I think so.
Yep,
Yeah.
I can see one moving.
Looks like
Both
a
of them's
tour boat
boats.
or something over there too.
Yes.
Like a river boat type of thing.
Yep, that's a boat. There's one right there.
Yeah.
Look at this. There's a thing right there, down there. You see that? The part and around it, thing building to it, right into the rocks.
Oh yeah, the pump house area. Yeah.
I can see it. Look at this bridge.
Bradley, you better be having your death grip on that.
Here we are.
I know.
Hoover Dam right there. Hold on, my
Look
phone.
at this.
Oh, way down.
Long ways down here.